Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, your daily stop for creative, budget-friendly, and beautifully inspiring DIY transformations. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting ways to refresh your home without spending much, turning old, forgotten furniture into smart, stylish kitchen organizers and decor pieces. Whether you're looking to reduce clutter, add functional storage, or bring rustic charm into your cooking space, this video is packed with inspiring ideas that prove one simple truth. Sometimes the most stunning kitchen pieces begin as something old, worn, or unwanted. Before we jump into the magic, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our Kuki Decor family. We post creative videos every single day to spark your imagination and help you transform your home in beautiful ways. Let's start with a classic piece many people have lying around, the old wooden drawer. This is one of the easiest items to repurpose into a practical kitchen organizer. With just a little sanding, paint, or stain, you can turn a dusty drawer into a wall-mounted spice rack, a utensil organizer, or even a mini pantry shelf. The built-in compartments of drawers make them perfect for separating kitchen essentials, giving you both beauty and order in one compact design. If you want that rustic farmhouse feel, keep the natural wood grain visible and simply coat it with a protective finish. It's amazing how something destined for the trash can become a stylish centerpiece for your kitchen wall. Next, let's look at old chairs. Yes, even the broken ones. Many people toss out chairs with missing legs or cracked seats, but the backrest alone holds incredible design potential. A chair back can transform into a rustic hanging rack for mugs, cutting boards, or kitchen towels. Add hooks or small wooden dowels, and you'll have a functional and unique organizer that feels handcrafted and purposeful. For a more artistic look, paint the chair back in soft pastel hues, earthy stains, or distressed chalk paint to give it character that complements your kitchen space. Moving on to old wooden cabinets, especially the upper portion, that often goes unused after renovations. Instead of throwing them away, you can repurpose cabinet doors into decorative kitchen organizers. A cabinet door can easily become a chalkboard menu board, a hanging pot lid organizer, or even a rustic wall tray to display your herbs and spices. Adding metal baskets, hooks, or mason jar holders makes the design both beautiful and practical. With very little effort, you can create a piece that not only fills empty wall space, but also boosts your kitchen's functionality. At this point, if you're enjoying these ideas and want more daily inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit the notification bell. We upload brand new content every day to help you transform your home with creativity, style, and sustainability. Another clever transformation involves old wooden shelves or bookcases. A shelf that once held novels or photo frames can be turned into a multi-layered kitchen organizer. Simply cut it down to size, paint it, and mount it on your wall or countertop. It becomes the perfect place to store jars, spices, oils, and small decor pieces. For a rustic aesthetic, leave the wood slightly weathered. For a cleaner, modern look, go with a crisp white paint finish. Either way, you'll end up with a stunning and functional piece that elevates your kitchen storage game. Old wooden bed slats are another golden opportunity for upcycling. Many people replace bed frames and toss out the wooden slats without realizing how useful they can be. These strips of wood can easily turn into a hanging organizer for utensils, herbs, or mini storage baskets. Simply mount the slats horizontally or vertically, add hooks or small shelves, and you'll have a unique, minimalist kitchen organizer that feels both rustic and modern. This DIY transformation not only adds charm, but also makes smart use of vertical space something every small kitchen owner appreciates. Let's not forget about old wooden crates. These are a treasure in the world of upcycled decor. A single crate can become a countertop organizer, a fruit and vegetable holder, or a rustic wall-mounted shelf. Stack multiple crates to create a modular storage unit that can hold everything from cutting boards to glass jars. The natural wood texture gives your kitchen a warm and organic feel, perfect for rustic farmhouse or boho design styles. You can stain them darker for a vintage look or leave them raw for a fresh, natural vibe. Moving on, a damaged coffee table can become a surprisingly useful kitchen organizer. If the legs are broken or the surface is scratched, you can still cut down the tabletop to create a hanging rack, a chopping board holder, or even a rustic serving tray. The lower shelf from the table can also be repurposed into a pot lid rack or a rolling spice cart. With imagination, even the simplest pieces of furniture can be transformed into storage gold. Another often overlooked gem is the old TV stand or entertainment unit. These pieces usually come with built-in shelves, drawers, or compartments that make them perfect candidates for kitchen storage. A small entertainment unit can easily transform into a coffee station, a tea bar, a pantry shelf, or a rolling kitchen island. Add wheels, paint it, and give it a little decor styling, and suddenly you have a statement piece that enhances both function and beauty in your kitchen. Let's talk about old wooden ladders, one of the most versatile items to repurpose. A wooden ladder can be transformed into a hanging pot rack, a towel holder, or a multi-level herb drying system. Hang it horizontally from the ceiling or mount it vertically on the wall. Add hooks, baskets, or mason jars, and you'll have a stylish, rustic organizer that adds visual height and interest to your kitchen. Ladders bring a beautiful sense of structure and charm, especially when combined with metal elements or greenery. Finally, old side tables make excellent repurposing opportunities. Their compact size and sturdy structure make them ideal for small kitchen storage. Turn one into a spice cabinet, a rolling utility cart, or even a rustic dish organizer. Add shelves or dividers to maximize space. A simple coat of paint or stain can transform the entire piece, giving you a charming kitchen organizer that looks store-bought yet costs almost nothing. Bringing old furniture back to life isn't just about saving money. It's about sustainability, creativity, and giving your kitchen unique character that reflects your personal style. With every upcycling project, you're not only reducing waste, but also crafting something meaningful, something hand-built, thoughtful, and full of charm. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with us today. If you loved these smart kitchen organizer ideas and want more creative transformations, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and tap the bell so you never miss our daily uploads. Your support means the world to us and helps keep this creative community growing. Until next time, keep creating, keep repurposing, and keep turning the old into something beautifully new.